What's going on, everyone? So I hope you're doing well today. I've been painting the house, but more exciting than that, we've actually got a delivery of parts for the Daytona. So without further ado, let's just have a look at this shiny new stuff. So it's pretty exciting. Okay, so we managed to get the, what side is this? I think this is the right hand side upper fairing. I mean, it's just perfectly made. All of the fittings are brand new. So much better than the Chinese fairing that's on there now. It also comes with the Daytona signage already on. Interestingly, 650, even though I didn't specify that. So maybe the 650 is the only ones they've got left. Really important. Got the cockpit. This was still available new, so I'm chuffed about that. Down here, we've got belly panel. Sadly, could only get that in yellow, but it is brand new, so all of the tabs and everything will still be fine. So let's just move this out of the way. Look at some of the other parts we got. So we've got the little air intake there. What's that? Various bolts and fittings. A new external fascia, whatever you call it, for the speedo. That'll smarten things up because the plastic's all split and micro fractured on the one I've got. That'll make it look a lot nicer. New grips and bar ends as well, bring it back to stock. And we've got this little padded seat which fits onto the rear cowling. A few more bolts and bits and bobs, and obviously a new engine cover. Wait till you see this, this is mint. Look at that. So obviously the one I've got is all scratched up. Nothing like freshly machined aluminium or whatever that is. Look how good that looks. So, new parts to play with. Today we're going to fit a few bits and bobs. Probably just get the bars sorted so I can ride the bike and just get a feel for it, see how it runs, and then we'll look at fairings and so on. So I'll catch you in a bit. Okay, so I've just come back from test riding the Daytona 650. It all went pretty much without incident. There's still a few bits of bodywork not attached properly. The lower fairings all need fixing and replacing. A few cable ties here and there that need to be replaced, but fundamentally I just wanted to check that this bike actually, make any strange knocks, bangs or noises. Seems to ride fine, which is great. So the engine actually feels quite strong. It does feel stronger than the Daytona 600, so the extra 47 cc's seems to make the difference. I know that was a question some people had about the 650. Is it much better than the 600? So I think it is. Still a few faults with the bike. There's a tiny oil drip, all the fairings, the indicator you might have noticed needs to be replaced. But we're going to get on that and we're going to get everything sorted, and I'm probably going to keep the 650 and let the 600 go. Okay, so if you want to see progress updates on the 650, then please do subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you get notified, and if you've got any thoughts on doing up bikes, sports bikes, bikes in general, then jot them down in the comments and I'll give them a read. Alright guys, well I'll catch you in the next video. See you later.